Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome to my channel. Today's video is gonna be super fun, kind of something different. I've never done this channel before. I've been getting a ton of requests to film like pack with me, what I pack for Disney kind of trips, so I figured I'd do one for you guys. I did this one in vlog style. I hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, I didn't really know what to expect for this, but let me know if there was anything you guys wanted me to change or do differently. But I did this kind of vlog style, super chill. If you guys don't know, most of the time when I go to Disney, I go for races, so there's a lot of like kind of packing for race tips in there, as well as Disney tips and tricks. I thought it was super fun. I didn't realize it was something you guys were interested in, but let me know what you guys think. I have a bit of like a lighter packing load because a lot of my stuff I had to ship to Alabama because the pricing was just ridiculous in Canada. And that kind of brings me to today's sponsor, which is Viabox. You guys have heard me talk about them a few times before on this channel if you guys are OG subscribers. Viabox is a freight company based in Portland, and what they do is they do amazing things, especially for us Canadians out there. Shout out to my Canadian subscribers. You're gonna want to listen up. Basically Viabox, what they do is you sign up and they give you a US mailing address, and then when you buy stuff either from stores that just don't ship to Canada or the shipping's expensive, etc., we all know how that is, you can ship it to this address and then Viabox will send it to you. Now the great thing about this is if you order multiple things, so let's say you just have a little shopping spree on a website that's American, they don't ship to Canada, you get all your packages shipped to Viabox, and basically they will group all your packages together and then send them as one for you, which is so cost effective if you think about it. And it is such a great alternative, like I said, if you just can't get shipping to Canada or if it's expensive. Guys, I bought a pair of ears on Etsy for Disney. $5 shipping to Alabama, $45 shipping to Canada, which is absolutely ridiculous. So you get that sent to Viabox. It is so much cheaper, such a better alternative. Oregon also doesn't have any sales tax. Their sales tax is 0%, so that helps out as well. So I will leave the links down below for you guys to go check out. Seriously, totally recommend you guys go check them out. They are seriously saving grace when it comes to getting packages from the US to Canada, and I seriously love working with them so much, and I think it is such a great company and such a great idea. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys about that because I thought it kind of like looped into the theme of today's video, which is kind of like a pack with me shopping kind of thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's just jump into it. These to put out my running outfits because that is important for right now. This is my box of like running goodies. So I have like KT tape in here, I have a ton of electrolyte things in here, so just gonna grab whatever here. Got to buy Cliff Bites, and this is what I used during the half, so I'm gonna have to get some at the expo, but yeah. Shoes, I bring my actual like race shoes. I do bring a pair of little flip-flops. I do usually wear them. UFOs, which look really weird, but they are so comfy after race, and then my mini New Balance, which are more like park shoes. I don't run races in those. Then my insoles for plantar fasciitis. That's all I'm bringing race wise. Pack that stuff in, and then we'll get to actual, like, you know, real clothes. Normally just start making like piles and then I pack at the end. So this is like my running pile, which is like for your phone case. Running belt. Blueberry pomegranate, this goo which is orange, and then this is noon caffeine, and then the only Cliff Blocks I have left are margarita, which are like my least favorite, but whatever. Okay, packing a pair of Align crops. Yeah, I live in these. Normally what I would do is I will lay all my ears out here and then plan my outfits around my ears. But since 2 pairs of my ears are with my dad, I can't do that. So we're gonna grab original and Epcat ears. Plan 2 outfits, I guess. The Tuppermade, these are just Disney clothes that I will only really wear at Disney. We got, yeah, a lot in here. We're gonna need, I think I'm gonna wear these on the plane. Okay, I'm gonna bring maybe these two. I don't know, we'll see. Bring this grab my summer clothes, which are down here, and then figure out what I'm gonna bring from here. I just realized I have not even checked the weather yet. Pretty good. Kinda not doing like I usually do when making outfits because the weather is so up and down this time of year that I just don't know. So I'm just gonna pack a bunch of different options with me. We're all packed. I have space to bring stuff home, which I don't really plan on bringing much home. I got my airport outfit, which I got this cute hat, just a line crops, lemon sports bra, a jean jacket, and then I have this super cute shirt, which just says finally got myself a park backpack because I was carrying around a tiny little like crossbody and it just wasn't working for me. So I got this like H&M for like 20 bucks, so I'll be able to fit my camera and stuff in there, which is good. Just really random shit. So, oh, body glide, guys, so important, even if you're not a runner. If you want to wear shorts to Disney, this stops the chafe. I'm just gonna bring this for makeup wipes. There's like 7 in there. I always buy a new toothbrush when I travel. Bought a new deodorant. We'll take them. That can come with us. Some of these. That. And a little mini toothpaste. This side of my suitcase is just a mess. You just kind of put things places. My mini bag and my big bag because I'm not really bringing too much in here. I'm gonna bring my laptop, my iPad, my phone, obviously, my Beats, I have a hard drive with me, a wireless charger. Dang, there's a lot of my GoPro. My magic band is the Toy Story one. Be cute, I know, right? So cute. So can't forget that bad boy. So in here, oh, there's more cords down there. That's cool. Passport. Just put it at the front of your backpack so you don't forget. Charge my laptop and stuff tonight. My iPad probably needs to be charged. Okay, I have a big wallet, so I usually just condense it to this when I travel. It's just a lot easier. So I normally just bring my pass holder card, obviously, Starbucks card. I wait till the morning to put my makeup in my bag because I put mascara on. So I usually just leave my bag right here and I'll leave my suitcase open on the ground somewhere. I need to